Here are the signs for this week's game. Cat, dog, rabbit, fish, horse, who, which, where, there, play. Here's an example on how to use the signs with the game. Okay, it's the cat to start. Who has the cat double? Me! Right, there's the cat double. Where are the dominoes with cats on them? Do you have a cat on a domino? Yes, you do. Which one do you want to play? That one. Okay. My turn. I need a cat or a horse. Do I have a cat or a horse? Yes, I do. Where are they? Here are my cat dominoes. Here are my horse dominoes. Which one will I play? I'll play my horse domino. Thank you. Tell us how you got on.